Today we're gonna board the airport. I mean the airplane. See you in the airplane. Sup, Lucas?
What's the Catholic name?
Here! Here!
Full face Titan. When outside in your cab, full inflation cap, in-place check. Manual inflation inside the piece of the red low to increase air and push wing inward to release air.
We have arrived at Cebu. This is my friend Romwell. Okay, Sir AC, nakita mo naman yung ugali ni Sir Romwell.
Yung pag-abot sila. Uy, wala bunduki.
Tayo sa may Eiffel Tower. Okay. Hey, we getting home right now, mate. We getting home. We getting home, mate?
Yeah, bro.
We're getting home tonight. Okay, see, I'm with my homies. We're going home tonight, man. I'm gonna wet you, sir. Okay, we're heading to our plane. This is it for the vlog. Arigato.